Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes, Windows 11 and Windows 10 won't boot. Easy to fix UEFI or GPT system partition. Boot with bootable CD or USB. Click Next, click Repair your computer, click Troubleshoot, click Command Prompt. Type BCD Edit. System partition type is EFI, Windows installed drive letter is D. Type disk part. Type list disk, star under GPT indicates the system partition type is EFI. Type list volume. Find your system volume, in my case volume 3 is system volume. Type assign letter equal to P. Type P colon. Type format P colon / FS colon FAT32. Type BCD boot space, Windows installed drive letter colon / Windows space, /S space, assigned drive letter colon space, /F space, UEFI. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.